Hi guys! A day in my life as a part-time content creator na wala pang sahod at hindi naman sikat sa social media. Ngayong araw po is something different kasi we are taking a break from the usual tourist spots and venturing off the hidden gem in Lapu-Lapu City, the Crab Island. Nakapunta ka na ba dito? If wala pa, we will guide you how to get there. If nakapunta ka naman, i-comment mo naman ang naging experience mo at pag-usapan natin sa comment section. This is our first time na pumunta dito kasi sikat na sikat ito sa TikTok. Of course, as first timer, we do our research. Meron pong dalawang way paano makapunta dito sa Crab Island. You can take a jeepney from Gaisano Mactan or the Lapu-Lapu Market bound for Suong Crossing, Matigondon. Tell the driver to drop you sa iskina ng Ilaya. From there, flag down a tricycle and tell them that you're going to Crab Island. There is a short walk to the beach after you ride a tricycle. At kung ikaw naman ay adventurous in a way, you can rent a paddle board from a nearby resort and paddle your way to the island. Pero yung sa amin, dun lang kami sa may iskina ng Ilaya at naglakay papuntang Crab Island para din ma-experience din namin yung lugar na ito. Mga 10 to 15 minutes lang naman ang lakaran going to Crab Island. Meron din mga taga doon na magsusundo sa inyo na mag-guide going there. They will guide you and explain a little history about this island. Hindi pa ito totally discover, kaya kung nagbabalak kayo pumunta dito, bring your own talaga, like bring your own foods, your tent at marami pang iba. Habang kami naglalakad papunta sa island, grabe yung view na makikita ninyo at maganda yung panahon at buti na lang talaga nakapag long sleeve tayo for today's video. Extra careful lang tayo guys kasi dito sa dinadaanan namin ay yung mga tirahan na ng mga crabs, baka maabala pa natin yung mga natural habitat nila. So far, wala pang crabs na lumalabas sa mga oras na ito, pero usually daw mga hapon or even mga gabi sila nagpapakita. And finally, after our short walk, nakarating na rin kami sa Crab Island. Kahit hindi pa ito discovered, marami na rin mga turista ang pumupunta dito, even mga locals and may mga foreigner din kaming nakikita. Grabe, super breathtaking talaga yung island na ito. Maraming activities na pwede mong gawin dito. You can swim in the refreshing water, soak up in the sun on the beach, or even explore the little island and see what kind of cool find you can uncover. Muntik ko nang makalimutan, 60 pesos pala yung entrance fee dito. Opo, hindi pa siya discover pero meron nagmamanage to maintain the cleanliness of this island. And of course, we should be responsible enough to maintain the cleanliness of this island. For me, I can still consider this as a virgin island kasi wala pang mga structure na pwede magamit ng mga tourists na pumupunta dito. As you can see, sa likod namin may kanya-kanya ng setup ng mga tent at para ma-enjoy na nila yung kagandahan ng Crab Island. Nakaka-relax talaga yung place like this. At least for the meantime, nakakalimutan namin yung mga problems in life. Cebu talaga has a lot to offer, from the beaches and the mountain, super breathtaking talaga. Just an information, Cebu has a lot of stunning beaches, both in the mainland and its surrounding islands. Imagine powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. Yun lamang po for today's video. Sana may natutunan kayo at sana supportahan nyo pa yung mga video ko in the future. Bye bye! See you soon!